Good girl. Good girl. What you doing? What you doing this morning, JC? What you doing? What's that tail doing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. All right, Jason, Hollis Farms this morning. It's doing a little bit of raining. Me and JC has had breakfast. She had a little black gold and I had a little Pop-Tart. So we don't have hunters this morning. Got some coming in sometime right after lunch. So me and JC is going on a little shopping trip. If y'all notice this little collar or big collar that I got on her, when we got JC, she had quite a bit of fleas. So I got some really souped up good flea collars, but they are super big. So what I did, I wrapped it around double, and she has just about quit scratching. She is a sweetie. She is gonna be a good one. She's getting really good in the box. The way I generally start one housebreaking and stuff is I start with these little crates like this right here, the little travel crates, whatever you want to call them. And I have moved her to one that's bigger than that. And the last 3 or 4 nights, she has not peed nor pooped in the box. So she's not too far away from coming to the house and sleeping with me. She's gonna be fun. All right, we're going shopping. We'll be back. Dodge is getting just a little bit upset with me because I've been spending so much time with JC. But I got him out a little bit the other day and had a talk with him and told him I just had to get her going, get her learning the ropes like he did a little bit, and then I'll have both of them out. So he agreed. He's all right with it. I still have to go pet on him and love on him, but he's gonna be all right. But won't be too long, we'll be having both of them out here. All right, y'all, here we are, Harbor Freight. Let's go see what we can find. Wasn't going too long. Alright, got us a toolbox. That toolbox is going to be for the race car trailer. So they didn't have exactly what I wanted in there to fasten it down. So we're going to run the Tractor Supply real quick and see what we can find. Be right back. Alright, so we made it through Tractor Supply. I wasn't real sure exactly how I wanted to mount this toolbox in the trailer. It's a little bigger box than I planned on getting, but they just didn't have exactly what I want. So I'd rather be too big than too small. So I wasn't sure how I wanted to mount it, so I got me a couple of eye bolts and a couple of different kind of ratchet straps, and I thought about using turnbuckles, and I may do that later, I'm not sure, but just kind of whatever I do, I can always swap the turnbuckles with the eye bolts and all, but I'm pretty sure that's how I want to put the eye bolts through the countertop in the trailer and then mount it. So anyway, we headed back to the house, see what we can get into. JC's taking her a nap. She likes her little box and her chew toys. All right, we'll be back. got the new toolbox for the new race car trailer over there in the shop, and all the stuff to mount it with in the shop. Now all we need is a little time to mount the new toolbox in the new trailer. We back. Alright, now we gotta get hunters out. That's why we can't put the box in today. We gotta work a little while. I'll be back. Alright, got all the hunters out, waiting on them to shoot. And it's raining. Kind of tough bow hunting in the rain. I hope they make a good shot. Alright, just got the call. Got one now. It is a nice one.
Is it a pretty deer?
Yeah, pretty.
Pretty deer. Yeah, that's what caught my eye.
Alright, y'all only got that one this afternoon, but not a bad day. Y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us, Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers, hollisfarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.